Good morning, students. Welcome back to 10th class English. The name of the prose is Festivals of Northeast India. We have already gone through the prose. Now let's have word drillings, and sentence making. Okay, the first word. Yes, it is. The first word for us is region. Yes. What is region? Region means Anchala. Its English meaning is one of the areas of a country. Area means area of a country having its own customs and government. So, region means Anchala, and the sentence is like this: the Himalayas is in the north region of India. ଭାରତର ଉତ୍ତରାଞ୍ଚଳରେ ହିମାଳୟ ଅଛି। ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱାର୍ଡ ଇଜ କମ୍ପ୍ରାଇଜ। କମ୍ପ୍ରାଇଜ ମାନେ ଗଠିତ ଅର ଫର୍ମଡ ଫ୍ରମ, and the sentence is water is comprised of H2O. Next, contiguous, ସମୀପବର୍ତ୍ତୀ, ଲାଗୁ ଲୁଗୁ, so touching, sharing the boundary with others. Orissa and West Bengal are contiguous to each other. Next word is interdependence. Its Oriya meaning is ପରସ୍ପର ନିର୍ଭରଶୀଳ. English meaning depending on each other. Sentence is interdependence causes relationship. ପରସ୍ପର ନିର୍ଭରଶୀଳତା ସମ୍ପର୍କଟାର କାରକ ହୋଇଥାଏ. Or we can say interdependence ensures or determines relation. Next word is corridor. Its Oriya meaning is agana, or a long narrow stripe of land that follows the course of an important road. So corridor means ଆମେ ଅଗଣା କହିଲେ ବା ଗୋଟିଏ ଅଞ୍ଚଳ କହିପାରେ, ପାର୍ଟିକୁଲାର ଅଂଶ ବିଶେଷ ହେଇପାରେ। ତେବେ ଦ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ଇଜ ଲାଇକ୍ ଦିସ୍: ମାଲକାନଗିରି ଇଜ୍ ଦି ରେଡ୍ କରିଡର ଅଫ୍ ଓଡ଼ିଶା। ଆମର ମାଲକାନଗିରି ଜିଲ୍ଲାଟା ଓଡ଼ିଶାର ଗୋଟିଏ ରେଡ୍ କରିଡର ବୋଲି କୁହାଯାଏ। ତେବେ ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱାର୍ଡ ଇଜ ଏମେଜିଂ। ଏମେଜିଂ ମିନ୍ସ ବିସ୍ମୟକର, ୱାଣ୍ଡରଫୁଲ. So let's have a sentence: his performance was amazing, or his dance was amazing. ତାର ନାଚ ଭାରି ବିସ୍ମୟକର ଥିଲା। ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱାର୍ଡ ଇଜ କଲଚର। କଲଚର ମିନ୍ସ ସଂସ୍କୃତି. So culture refers to the habits, traditions and beliefs of a country. This is the sentence. Culture relates to the habits, अभ्यास, traditions, परंपरा and beliefs, विश्वास of a country. So what is culture? Culture means the habits, traditions and beliefs of a country. Next word is traditional, पारंपरिक. Following old method, पुणा कालिया बोली आमे कहता, but that is पारंपरिक. Young generation don't like, young generations or young generation does not, young generation do not, young generation does not like traditional songs and dances. Next word is like this, just 1 minute. Yes, symbol. symbol ये है symbol माने झांझ घंटा. तो symbol one pair of round metal plates used as a म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट झांझ करताल. So cymbal is a musical instrument. Okay, next one is bamboo clapper. So what is bamboo clapper? Dasa katia, a traditional Chinese or Burmese percussion instrument made with the boards of a bamboo. Dasa katia. So bamboo clapper is made of two bamboo sticks. The sentence is like this: bamboo clapper is made of two bamboo sticks. Next, generation. Generation means pidi. All the people in a family, group or country which are born at about the same time. So generation, the father and the son are two generations. यार अर्थ है बापा गोटे प्रकार कौच पुओ गोटे प्रकार कौच. बापा पुणा कालिया ढंगर अच्छे, पुओ नुआलिया ढंगर अच्छे. सो दी फादर एंड दी सन आर टू जनरेशंस. एंड another sentence, there is always a generation gap between the father and the son. Next, what is picturesque? Picturesque, chabila, manorama. Its English meaning is a place very attractive or charming to look at. Forest with waterfalls are the best picturesque look of the nature. And the Himalayan range is full of picturesque spots. Next, what is discard? परिहार करिया, परित्याग करिवा. To throw something away that you no longer want or need. आमे परिहार करदेबा, परित्याग करिवा. The sentence is like this. We should discard our bad habits. आमर कु अभ्यास को आम परित्याग करवा, परिहार करवा उचित. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज प्रॉस्पेरिटी, समृद्धि. प्रॉस्पेरिटी इट्स इंग्लिश मीनिंग ए स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग सक्सेसफुल स्पेशली विथ मनी. एवरीवन विशेष टू लिव इन पीस एंड प्रॉस्पेरिटी. प्रत्येक लोक शांति एवं समृद्धि बसवास करने को अभिलाष करिथांती. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज कांग्रीगेशन? ये लाइक समावेश, ए ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल मीटिंग टुगेदर टू वर्शिप. तो ए कांग्रीगेशन इज ए गैदरिंग फॉर ए रिलीजियस पर्पस. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज फ्यूचर इन भार फॉर्म? तो इट्स मीनिंग इज वैशिष्ट्य प्रदान करवा. To include some means or something as an important part. So its meaning is like this. So he is writing futures a special style. Next, iconic. The word is iconic. That means symbolic, संकेतपूर्ण. His work, iconic. His work is, his dress is an iconic one, or her dress is an iconic one. Next, or we can say his writing is an iconic one. Next, revive. To make something past exist again or renew. This revive means पुनर्जीवित करिबा. So the sentence is like this: we should revive our past glory. आम आमर हृत गौरव को पुनर्जीवित करवा उचित. Next, what is wait just 1 minute. Yes. Next word is shum shumtantos. So that is bhuri bhojana, भारी स्वादिष्ट भोजन, वेरी रिच एंड विथ ए लॉट ऑफ वेराइटी. तो भूरी भोजन ताकू कह जाए. द पार्टी वाज फॉलोड बाय ए सुम्टोटस feast or meal. Next word is ritual. Ritual means कर्म, धार्मिक कर्म व religious rites, customary ways of celebrating a religion, celebrating a religion. Yes, that is rituals. We observe a lot of rites and rituals to worship God, to please God. Next word is plane, progress and development. We should always try to reach the highest plane of our progress and development. Next, instructed, nirdeshita. I am instructed to write here. एटारे मु लेखिया पे मते निर्देश दिया जाइछि. Its original meaning is English meaning is told in a formal way. Take place, phrasal verb to happen. So take place means the Ganesha Chaturthi takes place in the month of September. Next, rhythmic. Rhythm is chandamaya, having regular pattern of sound and movement. Dance means making a rhythmic pattern movement of hands and legs. Form the soul of, yes, form the soul of means form the inner part of. So making merry is making merry forms the soul of Kumar Purnima, right? Similarly, effective, successful in producing a desired result. So his advice had an effective, a good effective on his success. That means successful in producing a desired result. So we can also say his advice will be effective to his mind. Next, preserve. Preserve means रक्षणाबेक्षण करिबा, संरक्षण करिबा, to maintain something in its original state. We should preserve our valuable customs and habits. Next, oral history. Collection of historical information which is not written but is passed on by the people who remember past events. Oral history has no written form. They were passed on by the people to their next generation orally. Headgear. So wearing a headgear is the custom of most of the northeastern region of India. Headgear means something worn on the head for fashion or for a religious purpose. Next, heritage, aitihya, the traditions, qualities and culture of a country that have existed for a long time. India has a rich cultural heritage. Now let's move, let's see. Yes, sporting events. That means athletic events. Yes, sports events. These sporting events are held during festive occasions. खेल कसरत खेलकूद कहुए. situated. Situated means avasthita. It's English meaning located. Our village is situated on the bank of river Rusukulya. Next one is lunar month, Chandra Masa. The average time between one new moon and the next. That means the period from the first day of dark fortnight to the last day of bright fortnight is called lunar month. Similarly, Chaitra, Vaishakha, Ashadha, Savana, these are the lunar months in Hindu calendar. Next, sacred. Sacred means holy, pavitra. Puri is a sacred place. Next one is commemorate. Commemorate viswarana karida, smarana karideva. To remind people of an important person or an event from the past. We observe the Independence Day and the Republic Day to commemorate the sacrifice of our great leaders. Next, enlightenment. Enlightenment means knowledge about and understanding of something. Then jnana prapta. Buddha Deva got enlightenment at Bodha Gaya. Next, what is fascinating, extremely interesting and attracting. The beauty of Himalayan range is very fascinating. Next word is extensive. Its Oriya meaning is vyapaka, great in amount or sumptuous. So extensive means vyapaka. The recent flood or the recent cyclone caused extensive damage. And एबर तोफान बा झड़ बात्या व्यापक क्षयक्षति घटाइला. तो एक्सटेंसिव मीन्स व्यापक, ए ग्रेट इन अमाउंट, स्टुपेंडस, एंड द साइक्लोन caused an extensive damage to life and the property. Next word is ask for. Next phrase, ask for, to say that you would like somebody to give you something. Yes, beggars ask for alms. ALMS alms भिक. भिकारी माने भिक मागंती. Calamity. Calamity means विपत्ति, विपर्य. So ये the cyclone is a natural calamity. घूर्णिबात्या एक प्राकृतिक विपर्यय. So calamity means a sudden bad event that causes a lot of damage or unhappiness. Bring out, to make. That means we should always try to bring out the best. Okay, that is the end of the word dealing and sentence making of the prose festivals of Northeast India. We will have question answers in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.